How to draw a Roblox wolf. To begin, we're going to draw a big circle in the middle of our page for our Roblox wolf's face. Then we are going to draw the right ear. This will be a triangle-like shape. Inside the ear, we're going to draw that same exact shape but a little bit smaller. Great job! Now we're going to draw the left ear the same way. For the next step, we're going to draw a big circle near the bottom in the middle of our face. Inside of that smaller circle, we're going to draw an oval. This will be for the nose, and we will color it in black. Next, we're going to draw two circles for the eyes. Inside of each circle, we're going to draw a smaller circle and we'll color it in black. Above each eye, we will draw a slanted rectangle. These will be for the eyebrows. Then we will go ahead and color those eyebrows in black. We're going to add a little bit of detail to the face by drawing two curved lines, starting at each eyebrow and then going to the circle below it. Then below each eye, we will draw a small oval. These will be for the cheeks. To the right of the right eye, we are going to draw two small rectangles. These will be for the eyelashes. Then we will do the same thing to the left eye. Next, we're going to go ahead and color those eyelashes in black as well. On the right side, on the outside of the face, we are going to draw 3 triangles. Great job! Now we're going to draw 3 triangles on the left side as well. For the next step, we will draw 2 curved lines coming down below the face. This will be the start of our wolf's sweatshirt. Then in between those 2 lines where we have a space, we will draw 2 long ovals going up and down. These will be the strings for the sweatshirt's hood. Next, we're going to draw a curved line going downwards on both sides of the wolf. Then we will draw a small line going inwards on each side. And below that line that we just drew, we are going to draw the wolf's hands. Moving a little bit inwards from the arms, we are going to draw 1 line going up and down on each side of the wolf. These will be for the sides of our wolf's body. Then we will connect the arms to the sides of the wolf's body. After that, we will draw a straight line going across at the bottom of the sweatshirt. Then we will extend the lines from the sides of our wolf's body. These will be for the outside of the legs. In the middle, we will draw a small curved line. Then we will draw 2 lines coming down from that small curved line. These will be for the inside of the wolf's legs. Then at the bottom of each leg, we are going to draw a curved line for the foot. This is how to draw a Roblox wolf. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you liked this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you like step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this one, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and now let's go color in our drawings together.
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.